Hello?
Hello,
Hi. Oh, I can't hear you. Hello?
you can hear me?
I can't. Hello? Hello?
Really?
Oh, very, very little.
Okay, I have to do it like this.
Oh, that sounds better. Hello, Evan. It's been a while. How are you
How are you?
today? How are you today?
It can't work.
Oh, can you
Can,
hear me?
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. How about me? Am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think you're ready for our class tonight, Evan. Let's start. But first, let me ask you, do you have something interesting to tell me that happened this week?
Nothing.
Nothing? Did you go somewhere
Yeah.
cool? Did you do something fun or something
Nowhere.
weird?
Nowhere.
No weird stuff. Okay, okay. Here in our country, it's been like a rainy week. It rains every day. And it's nice because it's cool, but you can't go out when it's raining. How about there in Korea? How's the weather?
It is a little bit cool.
A little bit cool. Okay. So now, Evan, I think we should start with our lesson for tonight. It's all about changes in weather. Can you see your book?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the title of our lesson?
Changes in weather.
Changes in weather. That's why I asked you about the weather today because this will be our lesson. So here we have some words to learn and discover. Let's start with number one. What is it?
Blizzard.
Blizzard. Okay, so what is a
Blizzard.
blizzard?
A storm with lots of snow and wind.
Have you experienced a blizzard in Korea? Like it's a storm, but it has lots of snow coming down
No,
and wind. Very windy.
no.
Oh, not yet. But in some other countries, they experience a very, very terrible blizzards that it's very hard to see when you're outside and it's very dangerous. How about number or the second one? We don't have numbers here, but what's the second one?
Thunderstorm.
Okay, so this one, we always experience this in the Philippines, thunderstorms. Okay, like there's a very scary lightnings and a thunderstorm. And then it also rain. So that's scary. So what is
Yeah.
a thunderstorm, Evan?
Storm is loss of lightning and thunder.
Okay. So I will ask you, did you experience this kind of event in your country?
No.
Like thunderstorm? Okay.
A thunder? I saw thunder, but not.
Oh, you can't see thunder. You can hear it, right?
Ah,
Just
yeah, yeah, yeah.
you can just see the lightning, like the electric
Yeah.
strike that goes out from the clouds. How about the next one? What's this?
Tornado.
Tornado. So what is a tornado, Evan?
A storm where spinning wind comes down from a cloud.
Yes, that's true.
Yes,
So
that's true.
tornadoes are very scary. Okay? So tornadoes can destroy houses, buildings, like cars, roads, electric poles, and a lot more. So in a country that is like there's a lot of tornadoes, they have bunkers. Do you know what is a bunker?
Oh, yeah.
Like a house under the ground?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah. So in countries like Texas and other places in the US, So they experienced this one tornado, and most of the houses there, they have this kind of houses underground. They call it basements or bunker. Okay, so that's very important. So they can survive things like this. How about the next one? How about the next
Hurricane.
one? Hurricane. What's a hurricane?
A very large storm that has very fast winds and lots of rain.
Here in our country, we do experience this every year. It's very sad. Yes. It's very powerful and strong. It has like scary winds that can take off roof of houses and lots of rains.
Then why
Okay.
you don't can come to Korea?
Oh, I wish I can, but for now, um, the only way I can survive is to stay here because we have our own house here, my job, and my friends are here. It will be so sad if I go to Korea. I can't see them anymore. Okay, how about here? Flood. So flood happens when there's a lot of rain, okay? And there will be like large amount of water covering the lands that are usually dry. Do you experience flood in Korea? I don't think so.
Yeah, but
Really?
sometimes there is.
Oh, okay. Now I know. How about here? What's the next word?
Hibernate.
Hibernate. I know you're very
Yeah,
familiar with this, right?
it is.
Can you
It
describe
is.
what happens when an animal hibernates?
They just sleep all over winter.
Yes. But before they sleep, they eat a lot.
Yeah, yeah.
Remember? So what else do?
Like
They look for a
when
great place to hide and sleep. They make their house or home for the whole winter. Why do they need to hibernate during winter?
because there is no many food to eat.
Yes, very good. And the weather is very
Cold.
dangerous. Yes, the climate. Okay, they will not survive if they will stay outside and hunt for something that will be very hard. Okay, so do you want to be like these animals like we hibernate during winter? Do you want that to happen?
No, 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 no.
Imagine that. Tori will eat like a lot of meat, a lot of chicken, a lot of fruits, and a lot of vegetables in 1 week because you will sleep for 1 month. Oh no. That will be weird. But if we live like this, to Evan, what food will you eat before you hibernate? If you're like a bear or like a frog who
Mm,
hibernates.
all, all thing what that is tastes good.
Oh, something that tastes good, but you need to choose your favorite food because you'll be sleeping for a very long time. Choose one
Mm,
that you want to eat before hibernating. Oh,
like some
well,
noodle.
oh yes. Actually, I love ramen. Do you know what is ramen?
Yeah,
That's one of
I
my
ate
favorite
it
noodles.
yesterday
Oh, you eat
when
ramen as well. Is it
10
like a
o'clock.
cheesy ramen, a spicy one, or a salty?
Spicy one.
Oh, was spicy ramen. That's amazing.
My friend
Okay.
can eat very spicy ramen without water.
Oh, is one of your friends?
Yeah,
Maybe it's not. Is he a boy or a girl?
boy.
Boy, maybe he's not like very. Is that his favorite food? Spicy foods. How about you, Evan? You like it?
Yeah,
You like it so much? Why do you like spicy food so much?
I like spicy food, but I am very bad at eating it.
Oh, did you finish the spicy ramen?
Yeah,
Okay, that's nice. So let's have this one, okay? So we learned about changes in the weather, words focusing on the bad things that happen when there's changes in weather, like blizzard, thunderstorm, tornado, and hurricane and flood. And now I want to answer you. What do you think is the scariest?
What?
Sorry?
In that, in
Yeah,
that,
here. Is it blizzard,
um,
thunderstorm, hurricane, or flood? What do you think?
hurricane.
Oh, yeah, I agree. Hurricane is one of the scariest changes in weather. But also tornado for me because I watch a movie where there's a very, very big tornado and I got so scared. And I don't want to experience like being in that situation. Okay, so let's have this one. Evan, we're done with that for now. Let's go here, okay? We have
Okay.
here changing weather. So let's talk about this words. Blizzard,
Very bad snowstorm with strong winds.
thunderstorm,
Thunderstorm. Heavy rain with thunder and lightning.
tornado,
Very strong winds that come down from clouds.
and lastly we have hurricane.
A large storm that starts over warm ocean water.
Okay. So here we can see the difference, okay? When there's snow and strong winds, it's a blizzard. How can you say that it's a thunderstorm?
Thunderstorm?
If there is,
There is thunder and lightning.
how can you differentiate tornado and hurricane?
Hurricane, it is like strong wind. It is
It comes
come
from
down from cloud,
oh,
but
hurricane, that's tornado,
hurricane,
right? Okay, yes, that's
yeah,
correct.
but hurricane it starts from ocean.
Yes. Okay, we usually call it storm, but a large one. So here in our country, we always like encounter very large storms like this. So next part, what's this?
It
We
is
have different
clouds
clouds.
on and weather.
Okay, so we have different clouds here. So why is it important that you know what cloud is in the sky? What type of cloud are you seeing? Because sometimes clouds also indicates what weather will we have during that day. So let's learn some of these clouds. First one is
Cumulus,
cumulus.
cumulus.
What is cumulus?
Uh, it
Dense
is good
white.
weather.
Oh,
Dense white
cloud.
cloud.
It looks like this, like cotton candies.
Yeah,
The one that sometimes we see like it's a turtle shape, sometimes it's a flower shape, sometimes it's a heart shape. Have you seen that before? Like
yeah.
different shapes of clouds. So these clouds are the signs of good weather. How about stratus? What
Flat
is
layered
stratus?
clouds.
Flat layered clouds. So this is the clouds we see like it's like a fabric up in the sky, like stripes. Chung, chung, chung. It's very thin. Wispy. Wispy means like sometimes it's not clear. Sometimes the line cuts. Like the cloud disappears. It's very because it's very thin, unlike cumulus. So what does
Mm,
it mean? What will be the weather when you see stratus clouds?
Cloudy, dry weather.
How about the next one?
Good weather.
How about this one? Cirrus.
I said it. I said it.
Okay. Cirrus
Good
is
weather.
high, thin, wispy clouds. Like it's a very thin one, it's blurry, and sometimes you're not sure if it's a cloud or not, if there's a cloud or nothing, because it's very thin. It means we will have what kind of weather? We
Good
will have
weather.
good weather. How about this one? Oh no. This is a bad indication. I think it will be a bad weather.
Uh,
What kind of it's
Wait,
cumulonimbus.
cumulonimbus.
Okay, cumulonimbus. It's like
Cumulonimbus.
cumulus, but it is compressed together. They stick together and it is very dark. Okay, heavy gray clouds. So, what will happen if you see a cumulonimbus or cumulonimbus?
Huh?
What kind of weather will we have if you see one?
Bad weather.
Okay, so let's try it. Let's have a quick review. I'll describe this kind of cloud, and you need to tell me what cloud is it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. It is flat layered clouds. The weather here
Okay,
can be dry.
stratus.
Stratus. When you see this cloud, it looks like cotton candies,
Okay,
black
call
and white.
cumulus.
Cumulus. It looks like cumulus clouds, but they are heavy gray. Heavy and gray.
Okay, cumulonimbus.
Okay, and lastly, this is a high, thin, and wispy clouds.
Cirrus.
Cirrus. Actually, cirrus, these names, they are very famous because these are some of the basic types of clouds. So let's have this one. Let's try this. So you need to complete these
Review.
sentences. Can you help me?
Bears hibernate during the winter. A huge, powerful tornado is hitting the house. The flood is covering the village with water. The waves are rough, which is caused by
Rough. Can you
the
say that word again?
thunderstorm.
Rough.
Rough,
Okay.
rough.
How
Many
about the
houses
next one?
were destroyed by a hurricane. There is a traffic jam because of
Oh, a what?
what was that?
A bleh, bleh.
Lim-
Do you want to go up and review? Or do you want to think?
yeah. One time, just one.
Okay, I'll just give you a clue.
Okay. Bind a
Okay, it's
blend,
blizzard.
a blizzard.
But you did great. Thank you very much, Evan. Now we are ready to try what's on the next page. Oh, we still have something below. So, can you please write the correct name for each picture? Let's start with number one. What is number one?
Number one, tornado.
Tornado. Very good. Tornado. How about number two?
Number two, it is thunderstorm.
Actually, the picture is very confusing. It can be thunderstorm, it can be blizzard, because we can see the sky.
Yes,
How
and
about
it is.
number
I think
three?
it is blizzard.
Yes. How about number three?
Flood,
Oh, it's
but
flood,
I think it
flood or flood?
flood. I think
Flood.
it can be be fun.
Oh yeah, but the water in the flood is not clean, so you should not go jump and swim there. Okay?
I think it is. Yeah, it can be fun.
Oh yeah, but you need to be careful because you don't know what's under the water. You can step on something sharp. You can step on snakes or fish or a lot more or spikes.
There can be alligator.
Yes. You don't know what's under the water. So let's go here, okay? Can you please help me name
Hibernate.
what words are being described here?
Number one, for some animals to spend all winter sleeping, hibernate. A
Okay,
large amount
hibernate.
of water covering an area that is usually dry. Wait.
We're just talking about this
Flood.
last one. Okay, that's correct. Floods.
A storm where spinning wind comes down from a cloud. Tornado. A storm it with lots of lightning and thunder. Thunderstorm. A very large storm that has a very fast winds and lots of rain. A hurricane. A storm which lot of snow and wind. Blizzard.
Oh, that's very quick. Good job, Evan. It's a blizzard. So now you mastered the words that we learned a while ago. That's amazing. Thank you very much. Let's see. We have a true or false quiz here. And I need your help, okay? Okay, so you need to tell me if this is true or not. True or false. Number one.
Some animals live through all of winter. True.
Yes, can you give me some animals who hibernate?
Bear, butterfly, tiger,
What else?
and
Do you know
giraffe.
frogs? Frogs hibernate too?
Really?
Yeah. Do you want to see a picture that shows how frogs hibernates? Let's look at
And
some.
dog.
Dog?
Dog.
I don't think so. Do you think dogs hibernate? Frog hi.
I think so.
This one, frog hibernation. So it will look weird, but if you want to see it, we can look at it. So they hibernate by hiding under the ground for a very long time, like this one, and then they sleep there. This one too, look at this frog. It's iced. The ice is all over the frog. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It looks so funny, right?
I think it can be very cold.
Yes, but the frog is alive. It's sleeping there. Okay, so
Actually, it is dead.
oh, this one too. Can you see this? Yes, frogs hibernate. They sleep through winter too.
I think Elsa did something.
Yeah, it's Elsa's fault. Okay, let's see
Elsa's,
another one.
um, yeah.
Sometimes they hide under like wet surfaces, like this.
Look at
Okay,
dogs hibernate.
hedgehogs too. Look. Oh, sorry, it's a porcupine, I guess. So a lot of
Sonic is
animals.
hedgehog.
Oh yeah. So we have a lot of animals who hibernate.
And squirrel.
Mm-hmm. So let's go back to our book. Mhm. So now let's have number two. Can you answer number two?
Tornadoes come with thunder and lightning. Oh, it can be true.
Yeah, but in our story or in our words, we're talking about thunderstorm when we say thunder and lightning, okay?
But but tornadoes have thunder and lightning too.
Yes, that's correct, but we need to follow what's in the book. We need
Then
to
it
base
is
our answer
false.
there. But in reality, it's very possible because tornadoes comes from like storms and they form clouds and wind under the clouds. It's spinning in a spinning motion. So that's very possible. How about number three? Can you help me with number three?
The shape of clouds does not change with the weather. Wait,
What do you
cloud.
think? Is it true or false?
False.
False because like we learned a while ago, sometimes people and the experts can say if the weather will be good and bad if there's a change in the cloud.
Yeah.
Yes. How about here? Look, we have a story here, and this will be really interesting. So I want you to read this, and then we'll answer questions about it. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's have the story. Let's say changes in weather.
Changes in weather. As the seasons change, the weather changes too. Summer is usually hot. After summer comes fall, and it is colder. After fall comes winter. Winter is the coldest season. In winter, blizzards can happen. Some animals hibernate over the winter. They they wake up in spring with there is more food and it is warmer. Storms and can change the weather quickly. A thunderstorm has many dark clouds and lightning. Lightning is like electricity, and it can kill and destroy things. Lightning, lightning makes a sound called thunder. That is why it is called a thunderstorm. Tornadoes can happen in thunderstorms. A tornado comes down from the clouds. The wind moves very quickly in a circle. If a tornado touches anything, it can destroy it. Hurricanes are the biggest storm. The wind is very, very fast and there isn't a lot of rain. Floods can happen.
Very good. So that's a great reading, Evan. So here we learned the changes in weather and how can and result to dangerous things and events such as blizzard, thunderstorms, tornadoes, hurricanes, and floods. So now I have a graphic organizer here that we need to fill. And let's talk about the details of the story. Oh, what's that?
Okay.
What are you writing?
Nothing.
Okay.
I was just clicking.
Oh, yeah. So let's have this one. Let's talk about changes in.
Changes in weather cause many things to happen.
Okay, let's start with the first detail. Winter.
Winter is the coldest season. Mm,
What can happen when it's winter?
hibernate can happen.
No.
Blizzard.
A
Some
blizzard.
animals hibernate over the winter.
Okay. Oh no, it should be two Z's. How about here? Hibernate. That's correct. How about let's
Hibernate.
go to the next part? Blank or storms with lots of.
Thunderstorm.
Okay.
Thunderstorm are storms with lots of lightning. Lightning is like electricity.
What can happen
Mm,
in thunderstorms?
flood can happen.
What do you
No?
think? No. It's
Mm,
tornado.
I wait it. Oh, why you?
Oh, I didn't hear you. Sorry. Are you thinking about it?
Hmm,
Okay. Okay. I'll let you answer the last one.
you are very bad.
No, I just didn't hear you that you're like trying to answer. Maybe you should wear your headphones so I can hear you better.
Um, hurricanes are the biggest storms. Flood can happen.
Okay. Okay. Hurricanes. Oh no. Hurricanes are the biggest storms. Floods can happen. So here, remember that changes in weather can cause many things to happen. And somehow, these things are very dangerous for us. So can you please give me some tips on how to be safe during this events? For example,
Yeah.
Evan, there's a thunderstorm in our area. What will you say to me for or like an advice?
Oh, we buy some foods and water
Yes, like store things that we need
and
to survive in order to survive,
go
right?
inside the bunker.
Yes, go inside the bunker. But what if I need like there's no light in the bunker. It's very dark. What do I need to do? I should bring
Uh,
what?
phone or
Like a flashlight.
yeah.
Yes, we need to
Oh,
bring food
I
and
have
flashlight.
flashlight here.
Oh, that's very nice that you have one on your own. Your own
Here, here,
flashlight?
here.
Is it yours?
Yeah.
So
Look
remember,
at
so
this.
if there's a power interruption, oh, that's nice. If there's a power
And
interruption or I'm not saying that it will happen. I don't want it to happen, but you need to be prepared. Okay.
here, like
Oh, it's
this.
like for emergency, and it also has a whistle. Oh, that's
And
so
it can
cool.
be mirror, and I can see like this.
Oh, that is very cool. Oh no. Okay, so let's go here. What if I see an animal that is hibernating? Should I wake it up?
No,
Why not?
because it is sleeping.
What if it's dead? I don't know if it's dead or sleeping.
Mm, Uh,
Should I take off the leaves or put it somewhere else? Or I'll
or
just like
I will get something in my home that can be warm.
like a warm place for them to stay. But actually the best thing to do is not to wake up the animal. Just let them be.
You said you have to wake up. You
No.
are liar.
No, I'm just like what if I like to wake it up? But I'm just
You
giving
are
situations.
liar.
No. I didn't tell that I will wake it up. I just asked you what if I will wake it up. Okay? So I'm just giving a situation. So for you to understand what you should not and you should do when you see a hibernating animal. Okay? So let's have the next one. Okay. You're having fun with your flashlight. So let's go and answer this one together. Can you help me, Evan?
Okay. Thunderstorm is a storm with lightning and many dark clouds.
Mm-hmm.
Animals wake up from hibernating when it is spring.
Good job.
A tornado has very strong winds and it can happen during a thunderstorm.
Nice one. How about the next
And
one?
hurricanes are big storms. Wait. Hurricanes are big storms which can cause flood.
Lot.
Yeah.
There you go. So you're done with this. That's very quick. How about here? Can you help me?
Why do some animals hibernate during winter? Because that is very cold and there is no many food or feed
Outside.
to eat.
Yes. Can you answer in a complete sentence that say animals hibernate?
Animals hibernate because during winter because
The weather is
they
very cold
cold
and there are
and
no food.
to eat.
Very good. How about number two? How does a thunderstorm
Does the
get its
thunderstorm
name? Why
get
is it
its
called
name?
thunderstorm
How do the thunderstorm get its name? Because there is thunder,
and
lightning,
lightning?
and storm.
Yes. Can you answer in a complete sentence? We can say,
Uh,
it is
uh,
called thunderstorm because
it is called thunderstorm because
It
It
has
has thunder and lightnings, and there is some storms too.
like a very big storm too. So that's amazing. Good job. Good job, Evan. So we're almost done with our class tonight. So this will be our next lesson. It's all about the moon, planets, and the stars. So this will be really interesting. But before we go, maybe we can do the game we always do, okay? So we will
Okay.
have our own turns to like ask questions about the word. We need to describe it first, and then my job is to like fill in the missing letters. Do you want to go first or teacher first?
You first.
Okay, so let me give you this one. Okay, so this,
I know it.
okay,
Destroy.
okay, so when we say destroy, it is something that happens after a hurricane hits a place or a thunderstorm. Destroy means to break things apart.
Oh,
Okay, can you write the missing letters, please?
okay. Oh,
Okay.
wait. This, the, and I will do it.
Okay, it's your turn now. Oh, that's very long.
Wait. I have to erase one.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. And,
You should give me like two letters as a clue. Is that E or O?
E.
Two E's?
Two of them is all E.
Really? Okay.
When it is winter, some animals do this, and it is sleeping.
Yes, it's all about sleeping the whole winter. I think this is hibernate.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks for describing it for me. That helped me a lot. Okay, so now, so Evan, it's my turn to ask you about a word, but please let me describe it first before answering, okay?
Okay.
Because you answered too early. I know you know it, but let me explain it first. So this
Okay.
one. Okay, so let me give you a letter O here and a letter S here. So this is what happens when there's a storm and there's a very, very strong spinning wind that comes out from the clouds.
Sure.
Sorry?
My answer is tornadoes.
Wow, can you please can you please tell me or please tell me the missing letters or write it for me, please.
Okay. T
O-
R N N D O E.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay, my turn it is.
Yeah, it's almost time though. We need to like hurry.
So, okay.
So what's
No, no,
that?
no, 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 no.
Can
No,
you
no, no,
describe
no,
it
no,
to
no.
me?
No, okay, not this. Oh, it is like when it is when it is get lots of rain.
It's floods.
Yeah, okay. Bye bye.
Okay. That's it for tonight, Evan. Thank you very much. We'll continue with our class next
Weekend.
meeting. Okay? Great.
Yeah,
Have a happy weekend too. Thank you
have a
very
good
much.